try to take my flow, I take their ass for ransom. I know that I'm gone. They see me blowing up, now they say they want some. I got 2 twin blocks.
See cheap and clean. Galaxy everything banger. 2.5 mil. Get them, done them fast. What not even about this a shopper? You want me to move from the one spot there, no? I don't want to feel kind of hungry still, you know. No, don't move. I'll soon come back. Don't move, you know?
Dia hungry tu dah. Ya tak apa hungry. Hungry ya tak apa. Bisa dia forward dia want phone bitek sagala mi don't have any money to buy. Hati ni apa TV. Ami ni nak chat ni pada. Alright.
Kau mana?
Aduh. Allah. Makan. Kami sama friendly ta. Bebas ni. Yo. Ya mesti ipal lu nak tadi wah. Ipal ngobrol dah. Gini ngobrol dah. Cepat. Sama saya mau expensive.
One visa happy, me just feel happy all of a sudden. The boy just started spraying me, dog. Yo, take the phone and sell to them.
Pumpkin belly, the great one. But Mr. Black, sir, I got to come fast. But Black, sir, Black, you think them shine.
Keep on judging.
Alright, sir, sorry, I missed it, sir. But some little infinites and some little pesties, them come like a roach. They come like pest like the land. Them just keep about 10 or 20 on the phone.
Hey, Mr. Pumpkinman, tone down, sir. You're waking up my ghost.
Alright, sorry. I'm in the street still, but I'm going to wait down a little bit. Understand me, you know, sir? You know, sir, that's why. I'm going to come back, you know. I'm going to give you only for time still, you know. So, know what you do. Yes, man. So, me dear though, what you for me?
Well, I can tell you who stole your phone and your biscuits.
Faster, man. Me no come have to talk, tell me who take me things them, no, man. So, sir, what that book here look so?
I said don't judge. The one called Wrong Turn. He stole it.
Wrong turn. So what?
Cripple did it also.
Careful! My brethren!
Wrong turn. So what?
Cripple did it also.
Careful. My brethren, cripple.
That's what I say. Boy, you have to give me something for it. Don't be going on that boxy boy them.
Well,
Or something like that.
so you ever hear about a holy box?
Holy box!
Yes.
I want that.
Just set your right jaw.
My right jaw, right. Oh, right. Alright, sir. Don't do nothing too funny still now there, boy.
Yes.
Oh, God! Oh, what you work still, you know. You have to know the people, you know. You know where I come from. I mean, you're pumpkin belly still, but make it go on.
Kita pakai TV phone dem. Abi dah punya match. Ya kita cari TV. Ini saya ada box dong. Jelas pas panik dong.
Tapi ya.
Antum ya nak.